सब्सक्राइब करें डीजी विद्या चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट एजुकेशनल वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello folks, welcome to our channel DG Vidya. Today we'll learn how to create a web landing page using Adobe Photoshop. So today I am using Adobe Photoshop. Then I go to create a new file. So this is my document. I go for web, and in web I click the first one, 1366 into 786 pixels, and orientation is landscape. Then I create, this is my canvas. In Photoshop we call it canvas, in Illustrator we call this artboard. So this is my Adobe Photoshop interface. Today I want to make a website landing page. So from here to here is 1366. So basically I need two margins, and my width will be 1250. So for that I go for view, I create new guide. I need vertically 58 pixels, and vertically 1308 pixels. Then I go to view and lock this guide. Then I need a horizontal guide, and position is same, is 58 pixels. I want to make a website landing page. So here and go to character palette. My font size is 36 point, and the font face is Roboto bold italic. Then go to type tool. I select India only and say change the color into red. Then I go to text tool. I just click here. My size is 14 point. I need regular font. I just select all the layer, the buttons layer. The buttons layer and background one. And horizontally center. Then I go to round rectangle. I make a rectangle and my color is black. I pressing Alt for copy and then Alt copy. I select the center one and press Ctrl T for free transform and transform this. I select these three rectangular and press Ctrl T. Okay. Then I select text tool. And I change the font face into Robo and black. And my font is 60 point. Then I press Alt for copy, then go to text tool. And font size 48. Then I select text tool and I make a text box. Size is 16. I want to write something about Digividya India. So here is some text. I just copy this text and back to Adobe Photoshop, and here I press Ctrl V. Okay, and I need light font. Yes. Then I go to toolbar. I select ellipse shape tool. Then I make a small ellipse. And the shape color is black. Then I select second one and press Ctrl T and just increase the size, press enter and change the color into red. Then I select all these circles and just drag them here. Then I make a circle here. I want to put my image, so I select a rectangle and just I press Ctrl plus C, copy, and here I go to edit menu, paste special, and select paste into. So here is my photo. I want to transform now, so go to edit and select fill transform. Neither you apply Ctrl plus T. Now I press enter and go to text. Go to character palette and change the color. My font is regular. Now I need illustrations. I go to file and place an Illustrator file. Illustrator file is on my desktop and just click on it. This is basically a SVG file I download from internet, and select this image and drag into bottom of my layer. Okay, then I go to shape tool. In shape tool I choose rounded rectangle. I make a rounded rectangle and choose the color black. And I just copy this rectangle and press Ctrl T and transform this rectangle. And double click on the layer, shape layer, and change the color into red. Okay, then I go to text tool. Size is 36 and I need black. Is 3. I select both the rectangle. Fine. Now I want to place some social media icons. So I go to file, place and embed. I have some Illustrator social media icons. This is Facebook, file, place and embed, and Instagram, file, embed, and I need YouTube. So basically I have 3 icons. I select all the layer and press Ctrl T. My YouTube in top and select Instagram, and then Facebook. I select 3 of them and press Ctrl 1. Ctrl 1 for actual size. I press Ctrl T. Okay. Then I go to bottom of my layer. I create a new layer. I just drag this layer on top of my layer and go to opacity. Fine. So here is my landing page design for a website. So if you like this design, so please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.